Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for today's video because today I'll be sharing with you guys how to effectively train chest, and this is especially important if you're a beginner and you definitely want to maximize those gains in your first years of training and you don't want to train the wrong way and get the wrong results and waste your time. So let's get right into it. So if you're first starting to go to the gym and say it's your first 3 months of lifting, in terms of chest, I would only recommend that you do only one exercise in those 3 months of training, and that is bench press. So after doing those 3 months of bench press, I'm now going to break down training chest into 3 parts. I will break it into training upper chest, training mid chest, and training lower chest. Ideally what you want to do is you want to incorporate exercises that target each part of the chest so that you train chest as a whole effectively. First, if you start with training upper chest, there's multiple exercises that you can do to target this area. So in a scientific perspective, you want to follow the muscle fibers, and shortening them means you are engaging them and you are contracting them. The first and the most core exercise and the most basic exercise to build your upper chest is the incline dumbbell press or the incline press with barbell. Ideally, since this is a core exercise to build your upper chest, I recommend that you do this in a reverse pyramid training style. This is where you start off with a heavier weight so that you have more energy to do that weight, and you move down to a lower weight which requires less energy. Another upper chest exercise I would recommend that you guys do is upper chest flies. You can either do this with dumbbells or cables, but since you're new to the exercise, I recommend that you do this with cables because dumbbells requires more stability, so you want to start off with cables first and then move on to dumbbells. So you can do this exercise to warm up your upper chest, and then you can go on to do the incline press. So now let's move on to mid chest. A staple or the main mid chest exercise that I recommend you guys do is a bench press or a lying dumbbell press, and I recommend that you guys do this in a reverse pyramid training style as well. In this exercise you can alternate with doing it with a barbell or dumbbells on and off. So what you guys have to keep in mind is that doing any exercise with just a barbell can result in muscle imbalances, so you want to switch onto dumbbells as soon as you finish doing barbell for at least a week or 2 weeks. So moving on to lower chest. So in lower chest, the main 2 exercises that I will recommend that you guys do is dips and decline bench press. So to target your lower chest effectively, you want to lean in a little bit forward when you do the dips so that you target the lower chest area. Otherwise you'll be activating a lot more of your tricep than your actual lower chest, so you want to keep that in mind. So for decline bench press as well, I would recommend that you guys do that in a reverse pyramid training style, just because it is a stable exercise to grow your lower chest. So you want to start off with a heavier weight and you want to come down to a lower weight, and this is the same with a normal bench press and an incline press. As I said before, for the decline bench press you can alternate between doing that with dumbbells and a barbell as well. So that is in a nutshell how you effectively train your chest, breaking it down into your upper chest, your mid chest, and your lower chest. And you want to incorporate these exercises that I've told you to target each one of those areas of your chest. So with these exercises you want to incorporate barbell and dumbbells when you're doing them, just to prevent muscle imbalances and just to keep a nice balance between the two. So today I'll be walking you guys through over my shoulder workout and show you guys what kind of shoulder exercises I do. I pretty much follow the same reverse pyramid training style for my core exercises for shoulders, and then say for like lateral raises I'd go in an ascending pyramid style training, but for shoulder I'll get into that later. So first I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and let's get right into it.
We never took a night off, something cold. Won't even turn the light on. Told me you're so out control. Now I'm high as hell, but alone. I'm so
find a way to run from the city of the sun. You could have stayed, it's only over it don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, your power. Yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, power. Yeah.
And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout and the tips that I gave you guys on how to effectively train your chest. So if you have any comments about or questions about how to effectively train your chest or even the workout, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Or if you have any other tips to give other people on how to effectively train your chest and that's worked for you, make sure you leave it in the comments below as well. And make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed this video and took some value out of it. And definitely make sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this. I will be putting out a new video every week, so make sure to look out for that. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.